The 2025 Neoplan Citylinear is no doubt a futuristic masterpiece. But let's be real, even the most advanced machines aren't perfect. While this bus is packed with innovation, there are a few flaws and challenges that are hard to ignore. First up, let's talk about cost. With all its high-tech features, advanced materials, and hybrid electric drivetrain, the Citylinear comes with a hefty price tag. For smaller transport companies or developing cities, this kind of investment isn't easy to justify, especially when cheaper, reliable alternatives are still widely available. Then there's the complexity of maintenance. While the onboard systems and sensors are impressive, they also make maintenance more complicated. You can't just take this bus to any regular garage. Diagnosing and fixing issues often requires specialized technicians, software tools, and training, which can lead to higher operational costs and downtime. Another issue is the battery and hybrid system. Yes, it's more eco-friendly, but hybrid systems can still be temperamental. Long charging times, reduced battery performance in extreme weather, and limited access to charging infrastructure in some cities can all affect the bus's reliability. And when battery-related repairs are needed, they can be expensive. The user interface inside the driver's cockpit is also something to mention. While it's sleek and modern, some drivers report that it's overloaded with information. Too many digital readouts, alerts, and touch controls can become a distraction, especially for drivers who are used to more traditional setups. A cleaner, more intuitive design would make a big difference. Now let's talk about space and layout. Surprisingly, the futuristic design sacrifices a bit of practicality. Some passengers feel that while the interiors look great, the aisle space is tighter than expected, and the headroom near the rear section is limited due to the battery and equipment placement. Comfort should never be compromised for aesthetics, especially in public transport. And finally, connectivity features are a double-edged sword. While smart city integration and AI-assisted systems are great in theory, they depend heavily on the surrounding infrastructure. In cities without 5G networks or intelligent traffic systems, many of these features either don't work or are severely limited, which means you're not getting the full benefit of what you're paying for. So, while the 2025 Neoplan Citylinear is definitely a step toward the future, it's important to weigh the impressive technology against its real-world challenges. It's not just about how advanced a vehicle is, it's about how practical, reliable, and efficient it remains day after day. And that's something worth considering before jumping on board the hype.